As business owners and hospitality owners, we always do the same thing, which is we're always trying to find the new money, the new guest, the new booking. We try and implement these fancy tactics, these fancy trainings, these dynamic pricing software tools. We go put the rate super high with a massive discount in, and we try and beat the algorithm, when really the most important thing for business owners to do is focus on those that have already given us the booking, that have already jumped over that hurdle of, do I book with this place or not? And the easiest win here really is by contacting the guests that are staying either side. I would be looking to contact these guests here that are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 day stay, or this little 2-day stay here, and say, hey, there's a gap after you check out before the next guest checks in. Would you like to take it? What you can do is you can look at working out a special rate. The discount can be whatever you want to discount it, because you don't have to then get a changeover. That's cleaning fees, that's amenities, that's all of the things you've got to revamp and refresh to get in.